Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to recover deleted messages from Messenger. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have deleted your messages on Messenger by mistake and want to get back, I'll help you how can you do this. So guys, you can easily recover your all the messages. So first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, now you need to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad, and after this you need to go back. So guys, if you're using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device from here, as you can see, and now you need to go back. So guys, after this you need to open your app store here, and here you need to search Messenger. So guys, after this you need to check that you are using updated app or not. If you need any update here, you need to update your Messenger app, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to open your Messenger app, and guys, after this you need to click on three lines and click on settings. And guys, after this you can see here is the option of privacy and safety. Click on it, and now you can see here is the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. You have to click on it, and now you can see here is the option of message storage. You have to click on it, and guys, now you can see I have backup all the chats on my Messenger. So guys, simply if you have turned on your backup, then guys you can easily get back all the deleted chat or all the deleted messages here by entering your pin that you have set. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get back your messages. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.